My name is Kenneth Legesi. I'm one of the co-founders at Kampala Angel Investors Network. Kampala Angel Investors Network is what we'd call a platform that matches early stage companies, so those are micro, small, and medium enterprises, to angel investors. So angel investors are the first, usually individuals, that invest in a company outside friends and family. For the Investor Roundtable and the Startup Roundtable, these directly impact and align with KAIN's business model and our vision. KAIN's vision is to match startup companies and other early stage businesses to investors. So it only made sense that we be at the Investor Roundtable so we could get an understanding of what other investors are thinking and how they can invest in startups, and also to be at the Startup Roundtable so that we can talk to startups and let them know about angel investing and how they can access this alternative financing. We have a website, www.kain.co.ug. At the website, we'll explain how you can join or access KAIN. But really, we'd expect you to submit a pitch deck or an executive summary of your business idea. And this is through our website or through our email. So our email is kainuganda@gmail.com, and we will receive that, which we'll screen and vet. And should it be deemed good enough to put to investors, we'd then invite you in for a screening session, and we'd then assign you a deal leader who would help you with the process of finding angel investors. So that is the process, and that is how one gets in touch with KAIN or accesses KAIN. Naturally, not all the applications we receive will be investor ready and will be matched to angel investors. So we have a feedback process. At each stage of receiving applications from entrepreneurs, we make sure we give feedback. When we receive your application, we will tell you if it's good enough or not to be put before an investor. And we hope that that feedback certainly helps you improve your idea, your business, so that you can submit again. And next time, hopefully, you'll find a match. What I'd say, I'd urge patience. It's tough finding financing, raising capital. You're always doing it. But there are certain things investors want to see and which will increase your success rate. You're telling a story when you're trying to raise capital, but your story must be backed by evidence and substance. And this is in the form of having the right product or solution, and you've worked on it. For example, at KAIN, we do not look at ideas only. We're interested in at least prototypes and early revenue. Then making sure you have the right timing and market size. So you must have a product or solution that is addressing a large market. And finally, the third piece of advice is to make sure you have the right team to be able to execute on your product or solution. These are a start.